Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have a question from inequalities topic. Let's solve this question together. If y is a solution to the inequality below, which of the following is not a possible value for y? To solve this question, let's simplify it. We have variables on both sides of the inequality. I recommend you to get rid of the inequality, the variable with the lower coefficient, which is 2y in this case. So we will take away 2y from both sides. 1 will be greater than 4y minus 2y is 2y minus 7. So to isolate the variable, we're just going to add 7 to both sides. 1 plus 7 is 8 is greater than 2y. We will divide both sides by 2. This gives us 4 is greater than y. Or you can say that y is less than 4. Or y is less than 4. So when you look at the choices, so can I use 1 for the y? Yes, because 1 will be here is less than 4. Yes. Choice B, it works. 2 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. But 4 is not less than 4. Therefore, the answer will be D for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you liked it, please subscribe to our channel so that you can receive more questions related to this topic. I wish you good luck on your test. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.